Hello and welcome to this tutorial from Rusty Mango Design. In this tutorial we're going to look at how you edit the data or the information that you've already got on your website. As you can see, I'm already in the dashboard as we did in the last tutorial, so we're going to go straight over here to our main menu so we can change some pages. Click on the word pages there, or you can click on all pages, gets us to the same place. And this brings up a listing of all the pages in our website. You can see them as I scroll down there. If you've got a lot of pages, it may go over 2 of these and you'll see a little icon saying 1 of 2 or 1 of 3 depending on how many pages you've added to your site. I'm going to go to this page here and make a very small change to the front page of this website. So I can click on the title here, or I can click on the edit button. It gets me to the same place. It opens up this screen, which is the edit page screen. Up the top here is the title for the actual page itself. Underneath is what appears in the address bar of the website when we're looking at this page. And down here in the white section, this is the actual information that displays on that page. To add more information or change information, you simply need to pretend like it's a normal word processor. I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in a little sentence. So I've added some content there. I could change text here. I could do whatever I like to it. Alright, to make that go to the main site, I simply come over to the right hand side and click on update. Once I've done that, if you look to the top of the screen, there's a little message bar that says page updated, view page. Now I like to keep my editing screen open when I check out changes that I've made. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold down the control key on my keyboard and I'm going to click on, with my mouse, view page. You can't see it, but what it's done here is it's opened another tab in my browser. So I've just flicked over to that and you can see the change that I've made there has come through to the live site. When you are on the live site and you're logged in, you'll see that you have an editing bar up here just above your website. So if you don't have your dashboard open, you can flick back to it very quickly here by clicking on dashboard. Let's go back to the edit page screen. I'm going to remove that text now, so I highlight it with my mouse, press delete on my keyboard, and I must click on update to force that change through to the actual site itself. And now that little phrase is gone. Looking above where I'm working here, you've got all these little icons, and some of them will be very, very familiar to you because they're exactly the same as the icons that you use in a word processor. Bold, italics, quotations, bulleted lists, number lists, justifications. These two here are very handy. Insert and remove links, and we'll go through that in a future tutorial. You've got tables that you can add to your website and more icons here that you'll see as familiar from your word processor. This one here is important, paste this text. If you're bringing something in from another site or another document, you must click this button first before you paste the text into the main editing area here, because what it does is it scrubs any extra information that's on the back end of that document, hidden code, hidden changes that you can't see, because what they will do is they'll come through and they'll mess up your website design. So you need to basically use this button here as a scrubber. The one next to it's very important too. If you've made some changes to some text and you don't like it, simply highlight that text and click on the little rubber here, and that clears the formatting and takes it back to its base level. We'll cover more of these as we go through the future tutorials, but that's as basic as it gets. This is how we make changes to your website.